welcome back to my channel. I just got back from a very big long trip. Hold on, I'm gonna put little Bella down. Oh, sweet girl. I just landed about an hour ago and got to the house and was starting to unbox the massive amounts of boxes that I had, and I was like, you know what, let's just do this together on YouTube. Let's open all of the boxes since I've been gone. I've been gone for 1 or 2 days short of a month, so I've been gone a long time. Some things I ordered before I left, like long before I left, and was waiting for, and they didn't get to me in time before my trip. So this one's been sitting here for a month. I'm so excited to break into it and all of them. So let me grab a pair of scissors and then let's dive into opening up all this stuff. Big box. This is the one I was saying. I was so excited. This is from Vita Grace or Vita Grace. I'm not sure how to say it, but I've ordered from this brand for a couple of years, and I just really think that the items are unique and different. And this time I ordered shoes, and they looked like the perfect summer sandals. So pretty. These are a pair, like I said, just kind of perfect sandals. These are a brown leather strappy sandal with a little bit of a kitten heel. So pretty. The other one I think is similar in white. So pretty. This one is actually a slingback. So good. Whereas the other one is more of a mule. This one is a slingback. And once again, very simple detailing. It's got like a little bit of a gold hardware situation and then a very slight heel. And I just think it's feminine and beautiful with a little sundress, but not too high, like you can walk easily in it. I'm obsessed. I don't know if I can show this to you. I think this goes in designer dupes. Yeah, I'm not showing that to you. Okay, what is this? This is a lace something. Just a lace blouse. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's kind of pretty. It's in this like lemon yellow sort of cream ivory, and it's lace like that, and it's a blouse, and I have no idea what got into me, but we'll try that on. Hope for the best. That's me ordering probably at like midnight. You know, like go out to dinner, have a glass of wine or two, come home, and then get attacked by some kind of ad, and then speaking of lace, I got new underwear. I realized that I needed some new underwear, and these are expensive, but I've been wearing these for like 20 years. They're my favorite underwear. They are the hanky pankies, and I like the original rise. I don't like the low rise. I like the original rise, and they're just like the softest thong underwear. So yummy. Okay, these are pet glove wipes for dogs. It's a way to wash their paws without like having, you just like put it on, it's like a glove, and then you can just wash their paws for dogs and cats, and it's hypoallergenic, rinse-free, cleansing, deodorizing. I just thought these were good for little Bella. These are Array. I mean, these are supposed to get things flowing. These are Array kind of supplements, vitamins, supposed to be really good. I think I also bought the bloat one. It's called Array. I'll let you know about these. These are jumbo rollers. I bought these to set my hair. Like once I've like curled it or I've blown it dry and I've used like a round brush, you set them in these large jumbo rollers. A replacement. It's been like 2 years since I bought my crossbody, my original crossbody, and I noticed that the zipper looks a little bit worn. It's like tarnished a little bit, and listen, people have complained to me like, oh, my zipper's turning, it's bad quality. You know, what do you expect for $20? For $20, this bag has gone all over the world with me. It is the best crossbody ever, and yes, after 2 years, it tarnishes a little bit, so I wanted to get a fresh one, and they've been sold out forever, and they're back in stock, and it's like $23 or something. It comes with the large crossbody strap, the gold hardware. I wear this all the time. Like, we went viral with this. I'm sure every one of you has this. If you don't, you need to get it. It is honestly the best. I keep in fact, where do I have it? Hold on, I'm gonna get it. I just got off the airplane, and I carried this. I literally wear this through the entire flight. I don't take it off. If I go to the restroom, I have it. I've got my passport. I've got my cash, I've got my eyeglasses, I've got a little bag that I keep makeup, a little backup battery, you know, just like all the little stuff. I've got my little mini wallet in here. I've got sunglasses, I've got earphones, I've got wipes, Band-Aids, need to use one of those on my finger immediately. Got my barrier cream, I've got my lip enhancer, I've got little wipes to wipe down my glasses or screens, I've got Bella's passport, a poo bag, I've got lots of little hair bands, and on the inside pocket is where I've got some euros. I've got cash and then my global entry card for traveling, and yeah. So just to show you, this is what the tarnishing of the zipper looks like. Let me show you a fresh one. You can see it's a little bit, this is bright gold and then this is tarnished a little bit. And it is what it is. I mean, I've been wearing it. It doesn't bother me, but I just thought, let's get a fresh new one since I love this bag so much and it comes in so handy. My favorite sunscreen is the Can Make, which they don't sell anymore on Amazon. They used to sell it, and it's the Can Make. It looks like this. I'll try to link it, guys. I don't know, it's a little hard to link. I don't remember where I found it, but I love this one. It's just beautiful, just so lightweight on the skin, doesn't break me out, no cast, no tint whatsoever. This is just a must-have. I was traveling and I was very annoyed with the hair conditioner that I brought and that I didn't have my Unite 7 Second. So I was able to buy the small ones, which are perfect for traveling. It's the Unite 7 Second. Nothing is better for my hair after I get out of the shower. Spraying this on my hair, it is just, makes it silky, it makes it soft, and if you're in a hotel and you have to like air dry, it's just, it makes you feel so much better. I realized on this trip that I always have to have it with me. So now I've got these little travel sizes. I can refill them when I need to. So excited about that. Another thing that I wished I had had on this trip, but for some reason I didn't bring any of my toiletries because I keep toiletries in France and I didn't have this over there. So this is immediately going into a box that is going to be sent over there. This is the Tap Secret dry shampoo. It is so good. It is a powder, so you don't have to worry about liquid, and it's not an aerosol, and you just kind of tap it into your hair like that. You tap in and it gives you the longest wear of your shampoo. It is travel friendly, it's fantastic, it's super small, doesn't take a ton of space, love it. Two things for my hair which are definitely going in my travel bag. I saw somebody using this and they sold me. You know how they do it? They sold me on it. It's supposed to give you glass skin. It's that brand that's going viral called Tear. This is the Milk Skin Toner. Excited to try this. Underneath the barrier cream. Smells nice, not like nothing special. This is what it looks like. It's a nice small bottle, not too large, and yeah, I think it's gonna give me some glass skin. Well, I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's look at this. This is something my daughter told me to get. She bought this, I think, from TikTok, and she really likes it. Just a heated round brush. So it looks like this. And it just heats up, and then I guess you just kind of brush it through and hold it for a little bit and then take it out and you get some nice curls. Ooh, excited about mango. I ordered a really cute top and a pair of pants. It's a little strapless black top. It has this little fold over section here. Pants are almost like a legging, stretchy black material. I think they're gonna hold you in, and I will definitely try this on for you. I'm really excited. This brand reached out to me. They are called Versed, V-E-R-S-E-D, and they've got some skincare, and they offered to send me some. So this was a gift, and it is a brightening solution. I'm all about anything that brightens. I love to just work on the like evenness of my skin tone, any kind of dark spotting, melasma, etc. And I also got Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. I'm gonna do that tonight. Once I get off an airplane, like I always want to do a mask. I'm so excited about both of these things. Thank you, Versed. Cannot wait to try these. Lumina white strips. These are supposed to be the best teeth whitening strips. Supposed to be much better than the Crest. So here we go. Oh yeah, no, this is hilarious. This is because we are, as a brand, we are on ShopMy, which is an affiliate platform, and I'm also on ShopMy, so I wanted to see what the experience was like. So if you are on ShopMy, you can request to be gifted from Jouer, and so it comes with a card, and then I got some Jouer favorites. So excited about that. This is Soft Services. It was Nur who originally turned me on to them. They do all body. Look how pretty the packaging is. I love this so much. Wow. Beautiful packaging. I bought this hand lotion, which sits next to your bed, and it just looks so beautiful. And a little bit comes out, and that sits next to your bed. And then you have a nice little hand lotion. I love that. I literally just walked off a 12-hour plane ride, and then a 1-hour car ride, and then the like waiting at the airport. I mean, I've been traveling for like 17 hours or something crazy. Pillow stand for my tablet. So when I am laying in bed, I can sit and hold my tablet. And then I can like read or work or whatever. It can hold my Kindle when I'm reading. I'm really excited about this. It's not the cutest, but it's functional, and I appreciate that. Dog treats. Lucky Bella. These are my caramel syrups that I put in my dandy blends at night. I put them in my coffees. I put them in my protein shakes. I put them in everything. Let me show you what they look like. They are 0 calorie, 0 sugar. This is the salted caramel. But like 4 in the afternoon when I need something sweet, I pour a little bit of this in like a coffee-ish drink. So delicious. Ooh, this was an Instagram ad. I'm excited about this. This is called Aura. This is a diffuser for the home, but it's supposed to be actually really good. A lot of the diffusers that are on the market today are very toxic. This is supposed to be non-toxic. It's supposed to be good for your, environment. It's the Aura scent diffuser, and it comes with these scents that you get to pick. Bergamot, got a starter set. This is what it looks like. It plugs in, stands on your table, and I guess the scent bottles go in here, and it like diffuses into the air, and it's supposed to make your house smell gorgeous. So I'm excited about it. Well, lo and behold, I have a second crossbody. The little crossbody bag. I think I should do a giveaway. What do you think? I'm gonna do a giveaway on this video, but I think I'm gonna do it over on Instagram. So if you're watching this video, you're gonna be in on the secret. I'm gonna be giving away the black crossbody bag with some other goodies. Left a Corksicle in France because it's good for me to have one there. This one I thought was so cute. Wait till you see it. So it's a big one, and it's blue with hydrangeas. It's got the handle. What I love about Corksicle is you can lock it closed. It comes with this straw. Yeah. How cute is this? Yep, these are my subscriptions. Usually come all in the same box. These are my super beets. Love the beets. Macaroons daily. I get a lot of vitamins on auto delivery. These are whole food vegetables in chewable form. And then these are my Hairfinity for my hair. My favorite chips. If you don't know, I've told you about Quest chips. I know I've talked about Quest chips in the past because I love them. They're my protein. If I need something salty in the afternoon, the way of getting more protein and eating a chip. But these are next level. If you like spicy, these Quest protein chips are ridiculous. They're the hot and spicy flavor. Like, one of the reasons I'm excited to be back home is A, because of my coffee. Like, I love American coffee. I love Alfred's. I'm so excited to be back and get my iced coffee. And then I love my afternoon Quest chips. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna do a giveaway on my reel where I'm promoting this video. We'll have you comment a secret word. Put the word travel in a sentence. okay? Put the word travel in a sentence and you will be entered into the giveaway. Love you guys. Bye.